Hello, my historians, and welcome to your guided practice for Lesson 7, Hieroglyphics and Communication. Okay, so we've watched the video, we completed our note-taking sheet, we had a discussion about hieroglyphics, what it entails, how we read it, what are they, all right? We've talked about all of this. Now, we're ready to decode some hieroglyphics. In today's independent practice, you're going to answer the following question by decoding the hieroglyphics. Now, the question for today's lesson is, why did the mummy go to the doctor? Now, we don't know exactly why he went to the doctor, but after we decode the hieroglyphics, we will have the answer. So I'm going to do a few of the opening letters or logograms to show you exactly what's expected of you for tomorrow. So here's how we read hieroglyphics. So you want to look at the picture down there. You want to look at the first picture, all right? The first picture is of a foot. All right, and you want to look at the hieroglyphics chart up here to locate that foot. When you find the foot, you're going to locate the letter that it corresponds with. And that's going to be your first decoded letter. So let's do the first one. We see a foot, and right away, my cursor already went to it. I see this foot here. I don't see another foot anywhere else, so I'm going to be sure that that's the letter I'm looking for. Now, when I took this picture, when I found this activity, I just took a screenshot of the picture so we can't type on the picture, but I created this box down here to record your answer. Okay, so don't get caught up on what the response is going to be. Just stay focused on the task, and the task is to decode the hieroglyphics, all right? So the first letter we decoded is B. Now let's look at the second logogram. Looks like some type of comb or something. Okay, let's just go up to the chart and see what we can find. Oh, looks like a comb right here. Now, I don't see any others that look like that, so I'm going to, I see a Y, but the Y has two combs on, you need one comb. So I'm going to set it with my letter being E. Again, you cannot write on the screenshot, so record your next letter down here, okay? Don't get caught up on the response. You're going to get the answer at the end. Just stay focused on the task. And the task is to decode the hieroglyphics. All right, let's do the next one. So the next one looks like some type of cup or, some type of bowl or something. So let's go to the hieroglyphics chart and see. Oh, okay, I see C and I see K that both have the same type of picture. Now, back in ancient history time, K's and C's could sound the same on certain words, and we know that to be true. Cat. If I didn't know how to spell cat, I would have thought that was spelled with the K. Cat, but it's spelled with the C. So that is why they most likely have the same picture. But if we use our own discretion, we can start to see from the words that we already decoded, which one makes the most sense grammatically? A K coming next or a C? Remember, we want to answer a question. So why did the mommy go to the doctor? Because that's usually the first response out of our mouths, right? But for the sake of decoding, we want to act like we don't know what it is. And I'm sharing that piece of information with you because one, you watch the guided practice, and two, it can get a little confusing if the logograms are the same for different letters. All right. But so that's how you would do it. You would just use your own discretion and see which letter makes the most sense following the E. And it's C. Okay, let's move forward. Let's do the next one together. So the next one is a bird of some sort. A bird of some sort, right? So let's look at the chart to see which letters corresponds with the bird. And this is the bird. This is how the bird looks. Because I see a bird here, but it's not the same. I also see a bird here, but it's not the same. And I see an owl. That's not the same. And I see a bird here for A. And it looks pretty much the same to me. All right, so I'm going to take that as being the next letter decoded. And I'm going to come down here to my box and put the A there. Again, don't get caught up on the response because you're going to get the answer at the end. All right, you're going to continue the rest of these decoded hieroglyphics and come up with the answer of why the mummy went to the doctor. You're going to do that independently. And then once done, you're going to get a chance to see your own name inscribed in hieroglyphics. Okay, here's mine. And I love seeing this because it looks so cool in logogram. That's my name. Look at it. Awesome. Look at that tiger in there. Look at me. All right, and you're going to get a chance to do your name as well. All right, that concludes the guided practice. Tomorrow's